What is going on, guys? And I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope your quarantine is going good. Today I just wanted to talk about this whole Logan Paul scam. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, Logan Paul is just this huge YouTuber. Recently he opened a store selling face masks, but he's not really selling them. He was claiming, he's giving them out for free, but they're not really free because when you go to the shipping, it's $6 shipping. So a lot of people were kind of just triggered by that, saying it's a scam. So a lot of dropshippers try this business model, this free plus shipping, and it definitely does work. And I honestly recommend you guys trying it because it can be profitable. I can see why people saying it's a scam. People thought they were going to be absolutely free. Here's a clip of what he said.
We're making a bunch of these masks to provide an extra layer of protection for you guys. And the best part, this is what I'm proud of. This is my way of doing something good in the universe. They're free.
And I don't see the problem, honestly, because he's helping people. He said he sold like 30,000 masks, which is amazing to me because those masks could be people that didn't have access to masks and now they do. And 30,000 masks, I mean, that's like he probably had over 10 employees to make those masks. So I mean, he's keeping people working, which is, to me, that's great. So honestly, I think he did more good than bad. So this whole free plus shipping model has been, in the game for a while now. There's a lot of people that do it. I did free plus shipping one time on a product and it worked pretty good for me. A good product can be something that is like a necklace. It can be jewelry. I mean, it can honestly even be a shirt, because on AliExpress you can find shirts for like $3-4. Be prepared for people saying, what the heck, I thought this was free, or what the heck, scammer, he's charging $6 or $10 for shipping when he was saying it was free. To me, there is nothing wrong with it, especially with the whole Logan Paul situation. He's helping people, and that's definitely what I'm about. But I can definitely see why people are triggered and calling him a scammer. But that's just my opinion, and I wanted to share my opinion with you guys because I've seen other videos recently saying he's a scammer, or what the heck is going on. I don't recommend selling masks because Facebook ads will disable your account right now if you sell any sort of epidemic product. The reason why Logan Paul obviously can sell these is because he has his own platform, because if he was using Facebook ads, I mean, his account would be terminated. So if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to comment below and let me know so I can make more videos like this, because I do like talking about all this stuff and discussing it with you guys. And again, I really want to thank you guys for, I think I'm at 630 subs. I really enjoy making these videos. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. But I hope you guys have a great day. I'm about to make some lunch. Catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Make sure to join my Facebook group. I think we're almost at 100 members, which is amazing. Link is down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.